this spud on this toilet became difficult to remove. So this is what I did instead. Got the hacksaw and cut it off. And what I did is cut the nut. Cut it down till I got the nut cut in half, and then pried it loose with a screwdriver. And then I was able to pull it up. So I'm going to let you watch this. It's going to take me a little while. Sometimes these are the challenges that you face when you're doing plumbing. It happens. Every job can't be easy. And this particular one just has to be a little time consuming, but we'll get there. Not a problem. And if you are liking this video and the other videos, give it a like and become a subscriber. You are now watching the How To Plumbing channel, and I am Claude Taylor. Thanks for watching. There are parts of this video that I could have shortened down a little bit, but I kind of wanted to give you the effect of actually knowing how time consuming sometimes these jobs can be. And you just have to have a little patience, and you can get the job done. And we're getting a little closer. Just have to be patient. A lot of times it's really not that hard to take these off, but now and then you do run into some that's been on there a while, and it takes quite a bit to get them off, and this just happened to be one. So we're just going to take our saw. We're going to be patient, and we're going to break the nut off of there. And this is the best way that I find to do it, to prevent from anywhere from cracking the porcelain. That's the last thing we want to do, is crack the porcelain and replace the entire toilet. We just want to replace this toilet spud. And now you can see that it's starting to come up, and we're able to get the screwdriver in between and split the nut further apart so that we can pull it right off of there, and then pull the entire spud out so that we can install the new spud. To be honest, I could have used a better screwdriver, a little more sturdier screwdriver that's more of a solid screwdriver than this 6-way screwdriver. But at the time, this is all I had with me to work with. So sometimes you just have to work with what you got. And now you can see that I'm turning it sort of with the channel lock pliers. And we've got the nut up off of there, split in half completely. We're just going to snatch that up. And now you will see the spud comes up really easy right now. And that's the old spud. Now time for the new one. Again, I'm Claude Taylor. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video.